how you can sync GoodNotes from your iPad to your Windows computer. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, create an account on a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. This will act as a bridge between your iPad and your Windows computer. Now, download and install the cloud storage app of your choice on your iPad from the App Store. After that, log into your account after installing the app. Then, open GoodNotes on your iPad. Go to Settings and enable Cloud Sync by selecting your private cloud storage service. This will automatically upload your notes to the cloud storage. Next, download and install the cloud storage app on your Windows computer from the service's official website. Here, log in to the same account you used on your iPad. Now, open the Cloud Storage app on your Windows PC and navigate to the folder where GoodNotes stores its files. You can now open or download your GoodNotes files directly to your Windows computer. If you make any changes, be sure to re-upload the updated files to keep everything in sync. And that's it. That's how you can sync GoodNotes from your iPad to your Windows computer.